What is going on, everybody? I am unboxing the box and I have a review for you guys today. It is of my keyboard that I have had for about the last 4 months now. I have been waiting so long to make this review. However, if you wanted to see the unboxing with it, then just stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this shit. This is my new keyboard. Oh yeah. I got a keyboard. Fucking this box up. I don't even care. Alright, okay. I got an Azio. Ooh, what is this? That's kind of cool. I got an Azio NGK1 mechanical keyboard. It's got the blue Kali key switches, which are basically identical copy of the Cherry MX blue switches. Yeah, let's get it out of here and get another look. Okie dokie, this is the keyboard out of the box. Very responsive. I like it. It's so bad. This back plate is removable. Very nice. Very nice. Woo! The Azio NGK1 keyboard features blue Kali switches, which are almost identical to the Cherry MX switches and are very responsive, and I have been very satisfied with the way this keyboard is performed. With this keyboard you are presented with a function button, and with this function button you can do a series of things. This is where you can change the brightness of the keyboard. This is also where you can disable and enable Windows Lock. The keyboard features a metal chassis. This keyboard also features a volume rocker and mute button, which I find this very useful. I use this all the time. With this keyboard you get 3 brightness levels. I'll show you from least brightest to brightest. Another cool feature about this keyboard is if you press the function button in F12, this is where you can turn on the lights and turn them off, and also it has this function where only the keys that you have pressed will light up. Okay guys, so that was the review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure you give this video a thumbs up. I'd greatly enjoy it. And if you really liked it, please subscribe and share my channel. I love making these videos. I love doing the reviews. I just really enjoy unboxing things. Even if no one watches them, I don't care. I don't care if no one watches them. If you like it, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.